Shit starting to make sense. I'm not here to make friends. I be there when the business get ugly. Fuck the world on my bitch cause I'm thuggy. I turn on my losses to wins. Bury me up in a bench. I can tell when this shit ain't 100. When you dap me up it's too tense. Big Capo J got out the pen. Say never going back again. Lower fees I ain't taking a chance. Keep it gangsta, I think like a man. Tryna stack it up, think of a plan. I can't stand when these niggas be playing. Yeah, hold up. There's really no question on right. Nigga talking about pressure on slang. Like I was taught to take out my losses with pride. And I still remember the times. Bitch, I got a different vibe. Yeah, you can't even talk to me no more.
Yo, you been watching this long. You gotta like this shit. Push the like button, motherfucker.
Yeah, only thing that you killing is time. Yeah. But I'm way too influenced, I know what I'm doing. Them niggas been living a lie. Eat my bucket of blue ones, Milwaukee no bruins. My nigga on one of a kind. You don't love me, don't tell me you love me. You don't even have to pretend. Shit starting to make sense. I'm not here to make friends. I be there when the business get ugly. Fuck the world like my bitch cause I'm thuggy. I turn on my losses to wins. Bury me up in a bench.
I didn't go to Vegas to party.
Well, what'd you go there for?
That's none of your business.
Oh, yes it is. That's another $100 assessment. I suggest you stop before I bust you badly, son. Don't disappoint your
Too
mother.
much cap in my eyes, I've been seeing the fake. Throw this heart over my shoulder, pray I make it home safe. Suspended license, still been driving while removing the brakes. Ride on any motherfucker that's been plotting my fate. We hustle up the day to day, we moving weight with muscle ache. Still ain't ate, but that can wait. Working through these stomach days like fuck a plate, I need a meal. All this talk about how you real. If you scared to take a risk, then how the fuck are we gon' build? I make a move and keep it sealed. Keep my pistol on conceal. I ain't never killed nobody, but I think you know the drill. We been mobbing in the field. I see things I need to chill. You get caught up in the pickle just from trying to get a deal, and that's for real. Yeah, that's for real.
I'm not here to make friends. I be there when the business get ugly. Fuck the world on my bitch cause I'm thuggy. I turn on my losses to wins. Bury me up in a bench. If you love me, don't tell me you love me. You don't even have to pretend. Shit starting to make sense. I'm not here to make friends. I be there when the business get ugly. Fuck the world like my bitch cause I'm thuggy. I turn on my losses to wins. Dab me up it's too tense. Big Capo J got out the pen. Say never going back again. Lower fees I ain't taking a chance. Keep it gangsta, I think like a man. Tryna stack it up, think of a plan. I can't stand when these niggas be playing. Yeah, hold up. There's really no question on right. Nigga talking about pressure on slang. Like I was taught to take out my losses with pride. And I still remember the times. Bitch, I got a different vibe. Yeah, you can't even talk to me no more. You can't even look at my ass. I got burnt but I lived through the fight. Yeah. Only thing that you killing is time. Yeah. But I'm way too influenced, I know what I'm doing. Them niggas been living a lie. Eat my bucket of
If you have
blue,
any
Milwaukee no bruins.
inquiries or haircuts, tutorial videos, one-on-one sessions, email sleep2big@gmail.com, and I will get back at you soon as possible. That's sleep2big@gmail.com. Sleep2big@gmail.com. Holla at your boy. I'm Atlanta Barber and I get it in. Alright?